Wednesday. We have an unboxing Wednesday. Hey. All right. So I'm really excited. As you can see from the box here, this is a Diamond Art Club. So we're going to get this open. It's one that I ordered a while back and have never unboxed yet. So I have opened it to get the tape open. So we're going to go ahead and let's see what we got. This is some of the remnants left over from a stand that I made for something else, but we're going to use it to hang our diamond painting on today, so that way maybe we get a good look at it. So let's see what we have inside. Oh, okay. All right, well, we have two paintings in here. One is another one of these little owls. It's a little blue owl. So he is a round and he's 20 by 25 centimeters, and this will be a prize for someone to give away. So we're going to put that over there. And we got our packing statement and our painting. And we have a thank you card for being a Diamond Club customer, a Diamond Art Club customer. So that's cool. I think, oh, it has a coupon code on it. So there you go. This is Mary Did You Know. I love this. Love, 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 love. So let's see what she looks like. She is a square and she's 42 by 57 centimeters. And there's an AB, I believe. Ooh. All right. So let's get this open. See how you can see like an iridescent shimmer in that box. You see it? Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. All right. Enough about the box. Let's get to what's in the box. All right. Cool. All right, so we have our basic Diamond Club art kit. And this is what and these bags like are really strong and tough. So they're reusable. You get a blue diamond painting pen. You get a couple of little baggies. You get a blue squishy. Oh! A clear boat. And when I just flew across the table, you get a three-placer, multi-placer, and you get two heart-shaped wax. Okay, babe. Apparently the video feed cut off right where we just stopped at, and I did not notice that until I went to stop the video at the end. So I'm not going to reshoot the video and try to act like, oh, this is the first time I've seen this color bead. I'm just going to pick up, show you what I've already done, and let you get a gander at the painting so you can appreciate the beautiful artwork by Miss Mandy Manzano. So again, this is Mary Did You Know? And I'll show you the beads again really quickly. This is a strip that you get inside of your packet. You can run this through your Xyron machine so that you can use these to put on your boxes for your diamond painting. So this is your schematics now. It comes on this strip, which I love. Makes it so much easier than trying to put your painting on the printer to make copies. So we'll go ahead and redo the colors. I've already taken them out and all that good stuff. So here we go. I hate redoing something because now you lost all the things that you said that were genuine, and I feel like a fake if I try to re-say those same things, because they were things I said in the moment that made sense in the moment. So I might be a little quiet because I'm a little disgusted that I have to do this and have all the original footage not be there. 165, bless your heart, you almost made it to DP. to an AB. Okay, here are your colors. And we have this one. AB alert. It will work beautifully in the painting. So we had a Han Solo here a few seconds ago. I guess he decided he didn't want to make his cinematic debut today. And oh, that's deep and luscious. Okay. And last one. Okay. And here we are, about that Mandy 310 life. Bam, 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 bam. And that 939 life. Bam, bam, and bam. So those are your colors. We're going to go ahead and turn this painting back around. This is leftover stand that I made for something else, and I figured I'd try using it tonight to hang the painting on instead of trying to hold it up against the wall. All right, so there's the painting. Again, it's a Mandy Manzano, and you can tell by her giveaway signs of all the black lines everywhere that gives it that stained glass appearance. And it's beautiful painting. This is to be Mary holding her baby, the baby Jesus, which is a gift to the world. And it looks like baby Jesus has red hair. Now that's an interesting interpretation I haven't seen before. Now I don't know how his face is going to come out, because that looks crazy right now looking at it, and her face is empty, but Mandy is the bomb, so I have no fear that this is going to work out fine. It just looks weird right now. It just looks weird right now. But I have every confidence that Mandy can pull it off. It'll work. And you can see the AB drills are the white. AB Jesus will be wrapped in AB's, his halo, as well as his white wrapping robe clothing. And it looks like Mary has long hair or a long headpiece. And there are ABs kind of randomly throughout here. Look in the bottom, like there's an AB, there's a set of ABs, there's a set of ABs, there's a set of ABs. I think that's a set of AB, that's one AB, that's one AB. So it'll be sparkled throughout it. And then the lines that extend out from the baby Jesus's halo will also be draped in ABs under the black lines. So it'll be really beautiful. And it looks like there's a frame on each side of it, but it's not at the top or the bottom. So it's not a frame. I don't quite know what that is or how it's going to play into the painting itself. But again, I have every bit of confidence in Mandy that it will all work out for the best. If you want to get a look at those symbols rather, let's lift this. It's hard sometimes for the camera to focus through this clear plastic, so we'll lift up a bit and let's see. There you go. Clear as a bell. Right? Good. Okay. So those are some of your symbols. And of course, DAC one never worries about stickiness with the poured glue. And let's cover that back up. I have to straighten it out later. But again, you can see this, it's beautiful painting, and it's going to come out quite lovely. I don't mean to sound like a downer, but I've already done all this, so I don't know what I said back then. And but I am very excited about this painting. I ordered this painting because every year our church does a does a nativity exhibit, and they are always asking for people to bring in nativities and creche from around the world or from handmade pieces to bring a new look to the event every year. So they've never had a diamond painting. So I'm very excited to be able to. I wanted to submit this last year, but I didn't get a chance to because I was also on the committee and I was in school then and stuff. So I didn't really get to. So I'm hoping that I can get it done by this year's nativity and submit it to be on display at the nativity exhibit. It's a beautiful painting. The sizing, in case I didn't go back catch it far enough, is a 42 by 57, and it has one AB in it, and I've pointed that out to you already. It is a square. It's Mandy Manzano. It's awesome. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. And it's not a super huge piece, you know. So there's hope that I can get it done in time for the nativity, which is the last week in November into December. So hopefully we'll get it done. All right, huns, there you have it. May I invite you to click that subscribe button down below and the little notification bell so that you can be notified anytime that I upload a video to this channel. It also lets me know that you appreciate the content and you think it's worth your time to stop by and watch. If you are just watching, I appreciate you just as well also. Yeah, I don't know what I said the first go round, so I'll go to my regular ending. Remember, hun, if you are having a good day, help someone else have a good day. It's those small and simple things in life that really make life worth living. Give it a shot. Love and Shimmies, babe.